Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Volkswagen is ready to tackle the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb with its electric race car. The VW ID.R packs two electric motors that provide 680 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. It'll hit 60 miles an hour in just 2.25 seconds, making it quicker than, well, just about anything else. VW estimates that it'll receive 20% of its energy during the hill climb from regenerative braking. Look for it at Pikes Peak on June 24th. Volvo's fancy 3-seat S90 Excellence is about to get even fancier. The S90 Ambience concept, debuting at the Auto China show in Beijing, attempts to appeal to as many senses as possible. When the passenger selects one of 6 different moods, images are displayed on the headliner, music plays through the speakers, and various perfume scents are emitted from the center console. While it's just a concept for now, Volvo hopes to get this into production in the near future. EV fast chargers might be arriving at a Target near you soon. Electrify America announced that it plans to outfit 100 retail, convenience, and refueling locations with its DC fast chargers, including some Target stores. The chargers will be capable of traditional 50 kilowatt DC fast charging, with certain chargers going all the way up to 350 kilowatts, even though current EVs can't really support that speed. It hopes to have its first batch of chargers online by June of next year. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.